Introducing luxury high-gloss decorative panels and luxury ultramatte decorative panels by Arkopa, as supplied by Mercury Wood Products. Arkopa is a leading European manufacturer of furniture components, and we are pleased today to offer a good selection of in-stock colors in gloss and matte. The materials themselves are composed of 3/4-inch MDF boards. They are faced both sides with a hardened PVC layer, and onto the edges we offer a full program of matching edge banding as shown here for each of the 24 colors that we stock. Colors consisting of wood grains, abstracts, and a good overview of a solid color program here you see, as I said, in gloss and matte material. In terms of the sampling, we are pleased to offer swatches which show the full range that we stock, and against the wall behind me here we have engineered and put together a really good looking tower designed for showroom displays. So please contact us for further information. Thank you.